visitor. IoT is for Tele not just a buzzword. We want to create value with IoT. In the following presentation, I want to give you an idea on what can be done with IoT and how we understand IoT. For this purpose, I want to show you an example of an IoT monitoring relay based on our grid protection device. The grid protection device is an autonomously working disconnection device which monitors voltage and frequency, protects your plant if mains are out of range, and prevents the grid from unwanted feed-in. In the slides you can see a few plants located around Austria. All of these plants have an IoT grid protection device installed in them. In the presentation I want to go through the process of what the value could be to the parties involved of a relay which is connected to the internet. But consider, be creative. The hardware base of such an IoT solution could be another monitoring unit or even a simple sensor. The first thing which can be achieved with IoT is a flexible pre-configuration. For the grid protection device, this means the dealer or even the manufacturer can pre-configure the device parameters for the user or the electrician in their own office. For the electrician, this pre-configuration means no handling of software at the installation, thus saving time. Additionally, the report needed to prove the chosen parameters appears automatically on the IoT platform. The operator, who is responsible for driving the plant, gets fast information on failures and disconnection of the plants. Therefore, the operator can react very quickly. With continuous monitoring of the plant and the use of predictive maintenance, the operator is also informed about any feature problems in advance. The owner of the plant will have an overview on the performance of the plant or plants. Revenue and other KPIs are important for the owner. The grid operator will have instant access to the state of the grid protection device and therefore the status of its network in the region. With this information, it would be possible to control and stabilize the grid by controlling plants over the air. The manufacturer or dealer will have an overview on the health of its customer devices. It can therefore offer a new business model like hardware as a service. Finally, the product and its parameters can be updated whenever required. One example being when new regulations or country-specific parameters are introduced. Sending back devices to the manufacturer or manual updates are a thing of the past. But this is not just about the new business model. Using information from the device, the manufacturer can even further improve its devices based on real usage data. In the next step, I want to show you what we have done so far with the grid protection device. As you can see, we have done a proof of concept, connecting the grid protection device via Modbus with an IoT module located in the left green housing. The information from the grid protection device is transmitted to the cloud system, analyzed and transformed into information for the specific user. The dashboard shows the actual state and the values measured in the grid protection device. Therefore, you can see the position, the voltages, the frequency. Now I want to show you how to control the grid protection device via mobile connection. So thus, when I'm clicking on the button, the device will suddenly switch off. And on again. Now it's your turn. Let us get back to the general question of having an IoT monitoring relay. What would you need? Which features do you require? Or even tell us your limits. We like co-creation. Challenge us. Let us work on your IoT solution. Please join our discussion. We're looking forward to see you there.